Hello everyone, my name is Gagan Bhatia, and this is my submission for Health for the Hack Hackathon, and my submission and my project is called Stay Safe. So Stay Safe. So why I actually created Stay Safe is because we're like, according to recent study, that 85% of all American women have experienced harassment in the workplace. That's just 15% who have not. So this pie chart you can see that almost 85% already have experienced workplace harassment, and but only 25% of women actually felt comfortable reporting a crime to their employers. And so that is almost just 1 out of 4 people who felt. And so from an 85 ratio, we could just come down to just 25% of people out of 1% of women who felt comfortable reporting a crime. And now this has happened for quite a few reasons. So the first reason is intimidation, and most people think that it was like individuals actually do feel intimidated and feel scared to report these things, and they also feel the fear of retaliation from the harasser, colleague, or the employer who. And one of the biggest reasons is that they do not want to disclose that they have a sexual because they're too embarrassed for anyone to know so. And to solve all these problems, I have come like how can we prevent and how can we make it more safe to report a crime, prevent and presenting Stay Safe. So Stay Safe makes the process of reporting a harassment simple and efficient. Stay Safe allows the authorities to have multiple check-ins with the person reporting the crime, and thus preventing any further crimes or any further retaliations. And Stay Safe makes the process simple and discreet so that immediate help can be provided whenever any action is to be needed. So Stay Safe has a very simple UI. It's just so a thumbs up can indicate that everything's okay, and a thumbs down would indicate that something is wrong and we need help. So once we do need help, just call, we press confirm, and automatically the authorities would get alerted and they would send help, or we would get a call from 911. To show a demo, I can so this is how it is built. So as you can see, so it's currently showing because I'm not showing anything. But as I saw it a thumbs up, it says that I'm okay. And once I do agree, let's confirm that I'm okay. And so once I do confirm, the parties get alerted, then I'm okay. And as we can see, as I'm indicating a down, basically a bottom down, showing a bottom thumbs up, it does say that. And as we can see here, as I'm showing a download arrow, we can see that the status is updated to be I need help. Once I press confirm, it is sent to the authorities, and we can then and immediately we can also call for help immediately as well. But once we should confirm a status be I need help, within less than 30 minutes, the authorities would give us a call, and that features also been automated here. Talking about the technical aspect of Stay Safe, so this actually uses a complex CNN model, which has almost 49 lakh, almost 48,000 lakh total parameters, and all of them are trainable. So I'm using a complex convolutional network where we have a lot of parameters and it is installed. So it's quite easy to run just running Python app, and you can just fog the status, and as you can see, I've all attached the screenshots as well to see how this works. Thank you so much for like joining us to learn about Stay Safe. Please do support, and please do vote for Stay Safe and help me win this hackathon. Thanks so much.